two of the hottest platforms for building your website. But when it comes to running your business, which one actually comes out ahead? On one side, the widely trusted Shopify CMS, and on the other, the fast-rising upstart Durable. We'll compare them where it really matters: ease of use, customizability, features, cost, and how well they help you grow. Forget the marketing speak. We're diving straight into the real-world pros and cons. We'll give each category points, and by the end, you'll see precisely which platform takes the lead. And you might be surprised which platform takes the lead. And you might be surprised by the final result. Let's get into it. Okay, check this out. I've mapped out all the categories we're going to compare: pricing, features, ease of use, design and templates, integrations, scalability, and AI capabilities. Yep, we're covering all the good stuff so you know exactly what's up before you choose. Let's kick things off with pricing. Shopify keeps things transparent with their pricing tiers, and they do give you a generous free trial. But honestly, the monthly fees add up, especially once you start adding paid apps for those extra features. Meanwhile, Durable steps in with a free plan. Yep, you can get started without dropping $1, and their monthly plans are just super simple and affordable. Catch is, if you outgrow your small site, Scalability might make things a bit pricier. Oh, and you might need to upgrade for some advanced features. Still, for pure price friendliness, Durable totally steals this round. Now, features. Shopify comes out swinging with probably the most complete set of e-commerce tools out there. There's an entire app ecosystem for, like, every store function you could dream of. Could that be overkill if you just want a simple site? Maybe. And customizing templates definitely needs a bit of dev brain. On the flip side, Durable is all about speed. It's honestly wild how you can have a website spun up with AI in seconds. It's killer for basic business needs, but yeah, it's just more limited if you dream of managing 1,000 SKUs or running custom apps. Shopify takes this win, hands down. Right. Moving on to ease of use. Shopify's builder is intuitive, no doubts there. But as soon as you get into the advanced controls, man, it's a learning curve. Durable though, you just tell AI your business and whoosh, site is ready. Absolutely no coding needed, no stress, and the whole process is a breeze. Power users might find it kinda limiting design-wise, but for everyone else, it doesn't get easier than this. Durable grabs the win for ease of use. Oh, and here's something cool I found out. Did you know Durable can literally launch a website in under 30 seconds using AI? Like, that's faster than making coffee? Wild. Now, let's talk design and templates. Shopify, as you'd expect, shows off with a massive template library. Their themes are super high quality and honestly make any brand look legit. The only catch? Premium themes can cost extra. Durable focuses on clean, modern, mobile-ready designs that, honestly, look sharp out of the box. But you won't get a lot of deep industry-specific templates here. Shopify edges this one out with sheer variety and polish. Integrations. Okay, this is a biggie if you're serious about growth. Shopify's got this enormous app marketplace letting you connect to marketing, accounting, shipping, anything you need. Only downside is some of the best apps cost extra. With Durable, you can link up Stripe, Google Ads, and Meta Ads, which is great for small biz, but it's a much tighter list. So yeah, Shopify totally takes this category, especially if you love trying new tools. Alright, scalability. Shopify was literally built to support businesses from weekend hustlers to massive stores with huge traffic. That's why all the big brands flock to it. Of course, if you want some advanced goodies, you might need to upgrade, but it's got room to grow. Durable, meanwhile, is honestly sweet for small businesses, but if you're aiming to launch the next Amazon, yeah, it's not going to happen here. Shopify sweeps up the win on scalability. Let's finish with something fun. AI capability. Shopify only dips its toes in with things like AI product suggestions. No fancy site building here. Durable though? This is where it explodes onto the scene. Instantly generates websites, tosses in copy and design suggestions all using AI. It's more focused on basic small biz needs, but the fact it's all AI driven honestly makes it the winner in this round. So, looking at everything side by side, their strengths are actually super different. Shopify crushes it on features, integrations, design, and scalability, while Durable is just insanely easy, affordable, and speedy thanks to AI. Bottom line, if you're building a big brand or want to go all in on professional e-commerce, Shopify is still the go-to. But if you're a freelancer, running a local shop, or just need to get online fast without the headache, Durable makes a whole lot of sense. If you found this helpful, definitely hit follow so you don't miss the next